Bakit nga ba Panuelos Real Estate ang dapat nating piliin pag bibili tayo ng bahay? I'll tell you why. They have a licensed mortgage broker, which is doon tayo nagsisimula pag bibili tayo ng bahay. And the mortgage broker will get all documents he needed to determine the home price you can afford when buying a house. Or dito natin malalaman kung magkano ang approval amount mo. Once finalize na ang purchase offer, the mortgage broker will process your mortgage approval. But take note na ito ang pinkamahirap na process sa pagbili ng bahay dahil dito hinihingi ng bangko ang iba't ibang dokumento and papatunay na ikaw talaga ay aprobado sa pagbili BG bahay. Hanggang sa approved na tayo ng bank. They also have a licensed realtor that will help you to find a house within your preferred area like Calgary ba, Airdrie, or Edmonton, and criteria like how many bedrooms and bathrooms, what type of house ang gusto nating bilhin, and also to give us some advice and guidance sa mga bahay na gusto nating bilhin. And to make an offer. To negotiate. And until the day of our possession, which is the day na mapapasati na ang bahay. And a licensed home inspector to help you para malaman ng mga nakatagong sira sa bahay na binibili natin. May mga tools silang ginagamit to know yung mga latent defects ng bahay. And take note, mababa lang ang charge ng service ng home inspector nila. Sila po ay palagi pong nandyan to answer all of your questions. Libre po ang konsultasyon, Mapa Real Estate, Mortgage and Home Inspection. Thank you for watching.